Hey guys, TechBlast here, and welcome to a video explaining how to install a computer SSD. This is my editing rig, or at least it was at the time of filming, and it's running low on storage space after my hard drive failed, so I only had about 30 gigs of storage left. Step 1 of this SSD adventure is to locate where you can fit your SSD. Step 2 is also simple, it's just shutting down your computer. Step 3 is to unplug all cables, chips, adapters, etc. and switch off the power supply and wait a couple seconds before handling the components so the electricity is not still circulating. After I do that, I move the computer over to my working area. This step is not required. You will need a magnetic Phillips head screwdriver, which I didn't have at the time, an SSD to actually perform the surgery, and SATA, data, and power cables. I will show you the power cable later in the video. Step 4 is taking all side panels off. The panel covering your components on the front and the panel covering up your drive cages or power supply in the back. Step 5 is actually seeing where you're going to hold your SSD to screw it in and to align your screw holes. Sadly, at the point I was installing the first SSD screw in, the footage corrupted, so just put your first screw in on the top right corner and follow along after you do that. This clip shows why you need a magnetic screwdriver, but I couldn't find mine, of course. Step 6 is installing the SSD screws. The process is different if you are installing a drive into the 3.5-inch slot, but that's for a different video. Just repeat this step for all 4 screws, or if you're lazy, only 2. Please enjoy these 2 clips of me failing to install the 3rd screw. Step 7 is installing the SATA power cable into the SSD, and step 8 is installing the SATA data cable into the motherboard. Listen for the click noise of the metal latch. You also have to find a place to route the cable. Step 9 is installing the SATA data cable into the SSD. Finally, I can move the PC back to my room, connect the cables up, and switch the power supply back on. I click on File Explorer, and nothing. Just a sad little 120 gig SSD. So, you assume that you didn't plug something in all the way, or it's dead on arrival. Nope. When you get a new SSD or hard drive, you need to format it. I will make a video on formatting a new drive shortly, so stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this tutorial helps you. If you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing, as close to 99% of my audience isn't subscribed. Anyways, this has been TechBlast, signing out.